Welcome, Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. So today we're going to continue with plotting points, and we're going to look at how to plot points when there is a zero. So zero, a lot of students actually get confused. Where is the zero? So first of all, let's remember our first value is our x value, and the second value is the y value. When you have a point with a zero in it, the point is either going to be on the y-axis, that means somewhere here or here, wherever it is, but it's going to be either on the y-axis or on the x-axis. It's going to be somewhere here. And if there are two zeros, then it's going to be right where the two axes meet. Let me see if I can get a different color. So if it's 0, 0, that's this point right here. Because here, at this point, 0 is x, and 0 is the y value as well. So whenever you have a 0 and another number, whether the x is 0 or the y is 0 and the other number is x or y, you'll know, oh, okay, so I know it's either going to be on the y-axis or on the x-axis. But students get confused which axis it's going to be on. So let's look at it carefully, and let's first understand something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a visual. I'm going to block out the other things so you can focus where I want you to focus so you can understand. So what I want you to understand here is, where is x equal to 0 here? Because students a lot of times see a lot going on in the coordinate plane. They don't understand where the x is equal to 0. Because here it says, here is x and x is equal to 0. So I have to go to that spot where x is equal to 0. Well, that's right here. If you look at the x-axis and I block out everything else, and you know what, let me block it out on the bottom too. I'm going to copy and paste this. So I'm going to block everything out so you only, let's see if I can do this here. Okay, I'm going to block everything out so you only see the x-axis, except for that purple line. And now you see where the 0 is. X is equal to 0 right over here. And you know what, I need to use a different color so you can see it. So right here, x is equal to 0, right over here. And I'm not going to plot my point over here because this is where x is equal to 0, and then I have to see where to go for the y. But you should know this is where the x is equal to 0, and this is where a lot of students get confused. So if you are confused, always block the other axis and see if you can find where the 0 is for the x or y. Here we're looking for x equal to 0, and that's right over here where I made my red mark. And now we need to go to where the y is equal to 1. Well, you see here 2 1s. There's a 1 over here, and there's a 1 on the right side. Well, the one on the right side, that's the x, so we're not going to this one. This one is where we're going to. So all we need to do is, again, we stay in this line here. We're staying on this line, on this column, because this is where x equal to 0, and we need to stay where x is equal to 0, and then we have to move up to where y is 1. And that's right here. So sometimes I see students get a little confused, and they don't stay where x is equal to 0, they move over here. No, incorrect. You have to stay where x is equal to 0, and then you move up to y equals 1. And this is the point 0, 1. So the point 0, 1 is on the y-axis. And let's make sure, let's just check to make sure that this is the correct point. So we don't have to make an arrow. Well, let's make an arrow down and see where it hits the x. It hits the x right here by 0. X is equal to 0. Yes, that's correct. X is equal to 0. And then y, where does it hit the y? Well, it hits the y right over here. Y is 1. Yep, that's correct. So this is our point 0, 1. And now let's do another example, but this time 0 will be for the y. So if you're having trouble with these types of points, always go back to this video and just make sure and review that, where is x 0, where is y equal to 0. So let's look at this example here. And here we need to plot the point 4, 0. So x is 4. The first one is x. And now I see a 4 here, up here, and to the right. Well, x is 4. So I'm not going up here. This is the y is equal to 4. We need to go to the x equal 4, and that's right here. And I'm just going to make a little line. So I have to stay on this line. So now either I'm going up or down, or maybe I'm staying put. And I have to stay where the x is 4. So now I need to find where where y is equal to 0. So this is the tricky part, because students do not know where y is equal to 0, even though, whoops, I meant to erase that, even though it is labeled. So I see that y is equal to 0, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a visual to block everything out so you can see where y is equal to 0. So let me get my visual here. So this is a good strategy to use when you're working with math or really any subject, to just focus in on that thing that you're looking for. So here is my number line, and I'm going to copy and paste it. So we're just looking at the y-axis right now. Okay, like this. So now where is y equal to 0? Well, you can see here. Here y is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 is right here. So let me get my red pen, and 0 is right over here. Okay, now I'm going to remove these visual aids, and I'm going to, let's see if that worked here. Okay, and I'm going to connect. So I need to connect. Oh, this is a little bit off. This is my y. This here is y equals 0, because here's my y, and 0 is here. And here x is 4, and I have to connect them. So I just stay right over here. This is my point. I stay on the axis, because here is the point where x is 4, right? You can see it right here, right over here, x is 4. And then if I go to the y-axis, where does it hit the y? Right here, where y is 0. So sometimes if it's 0, that means that you're not going to move up or down, or you're not going to move right or left. If y is 0, that means I'm not moving up or down. I just stay put after I find my x value. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you to plot points, because it's a very important skill. And if you would like to have more worksheets and videos with visuals and supports, please click on the links. Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers. Follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I've included more videos, links to more videos. Please check them out.